All right, time to fire up. No, that's not gonna work. Dead battery. Let's try it again. No, you can hear it cranking, but just barely starting. What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is very cold, and I was out for a week or so. We were traveling, and I got back to basically a dead battery from the G37. Which is kind of surprising because it's been 2 years since I bought the battery from Costco, brand new, and it's already starting to act up once the temperatures drop. It's very cold right now, which is typically, if it's a colder temperature, cars tend to take a little bit longer to start. The Mustang over there started up just fine after a week, even though it's still on the original battery after 5 years. So I don't know what Costco is doing, but Motorcraft definitely got this right. Now here's the thing, we already tried jump starting the car yesterday. It started up just fine. I drove it around for 15-20 minutes, left the car on, and I came back and it was dead again. So jump starting is not going to help. We're going to go ahead and take the battery to Costco in this video, and hopefully we can get a free replacement. They actually changed the battery warranty, which I'll tell you in a little bit. All right, let's get the hood open and get the battery out. All right, hood's open up. I kind of like we don't have the hood struts like the Mustang has. It's pretty convenient. So this is where the battery is, and it's a pain to really get this battery out because you got to take out a couple things. This needs to come out, this needs to come out, clamp needs to come out before we can really take out the battery, because you can see it's a pretty tight fit. So I don't know if it's really gonna work like this. So we're gonna attempt it to see if we don't need to take all of this out. If not, we're gonna take everything out, take the battery out, and drive to Costco. I still haven't done a proper drive with the Mustang since I've gotten back, so I'm excited to get back in this car to go for a long drive. Even though the temperature is kind of cold, I can still enjoy this car and really drive it around. But let's go ahead and find the 10 millimeters somewhere in the garage. It's hiding behind all these cleaning supplies for the cars. Now we got that. Let's go ahead and try to take out the battery in the G37, and we're gonna go ahead and take it for a spin. Get the new battery hopefully without any charge, because the new battery replacement warranty for the Costco is not ideal. It is such a pain to remove the battery. We got pretty much everything out. Now it just needs to remove the battery. We can take this out, this panel out, and now we finally have access to the battery. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll put everything back together and then take the battery to Costco for replacement. All right, so we are headed to Costco, but let's talk about the Costco policy on the battery. So it used to be free 3-year replacement, battery replacement warranty. Like if something was wrong, you would bring up the battery and they would just replace it for you, no questions asked. Apparently a lot of people took advantage of that policy. So now they've done a prorated policy, which means that if you've used the battery for 2 years, they will take out that money from your refund, and they will give you only 1/3 back, and then you can put it towards the new battery or just take that money and go somewhere else to buy the new battery. So that change happened in 2023. I bought this battery in 2022, but I've heard people having issues with it where the Costco sometimes tries to make you pay for it and implements the prorated battery instead of the regular battery warranty. So I'm hoping that Costco is playing honestly with me, and we actually do get the warranty, because I did buy this battery before this prorated warranty started. So I should be able to get a full refund on it and maybe pay a difference if there's a price difference. Otherwise, I'm expecting to get a full refund on this battery and be able to get a new battery from them. So let's go ahead and head to Costco, and we're going to see what Costco is going to end up doing with this battery thing. All right, so we got the new battery installed on the G37. You can see it right here, interstate battery. Has a sticker somewhere too. So it's pretty much November 24, so it's relatively new, depending on what you see in the video. But yeah, the battery, I was kind of disappointed with it because we got the battery 2 years ago. Typically, automated batteries will last you 5 years or so, if not more. But 2 years for the new battery to just kind of give up is kind of disappointing. I'm glad Costco's warranty came in clutch, so we have to buy a new battery. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been happy. So the new battery's installed. Let's go ahead and get in the car, and we're gonna try to turn it on to see if that works. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. Yep, fired right up. So the new battery is good to go. Everything is reset. The check engine light is gone. I wish it would kind of stay like that, but I know it's going to come back. But yeah, I'm going to have to redo all the settings on this car because new battery, obviously, everything is back to normal, or factory defaults, really, not normal. So we're going to have to do that. But I'm just happy that the car is good to go. It's been getting a little bit colder weather now, so it was kind of nice to have this car back and not to drive the Mustang for some of the errands and stuff. So the G37 is back with the battery. Very helpful. So we'll let it run for a little bit, make sure the battery's good. We're gonna maybe take it out for a spin. My word, basically, I think if you're looking for a Costco battery, they've also changed the warranty now where it's not a straight up battery replacement. It's prorated. I got lucky because I got it before the warranty changed, but the batteries don't seem to last that long because they're trying to, it's cheaper than everywhere else, but maybe it's for a reason. Even the Costco typically has very good products, but the battery, it's outsourced to Interstate Batteries, but that's what it is. But yeah, guys, so this is revived up. We're going to go ahead and take it for a spin. I'll catch you guys in the next video.